Hey guys, Eddie here. I run a bakery business. I've been doing business for probably around 13 years. For me, this class, I learned a lot. For me, this program, Awaken the Divine You, I learned a lot about myself. At first, I came, just thought this is just going to be a normal meditation class, just do the normal kind of meditation thing. But somehow it actually taught a lot about mindset, personal belief, how how do we keep ourselves fresh and motivated. For example, you can do a lot of breath work. You can always connect to yourself. I think if a lot of us in life, we have intuition, you always feel like gut feeling. So this class also taught me a lot about how do I use my gut feeling to go with the flow. I think one of the main learning from the class for me was I'm always have to be very strong because I'm the boss or I'm the leader, right? But I start to realize that in this class that actually I don't need to be the strongest. I can always show my vulnerability with my team and eventually ask them for help. And by asking them for help, they also give me I'm also giving them the chance to contribute. So it goes both ways. And throughout these 7 days, every single day, there's something unfold in my personal life. Like for example, the first day, there's some bad news about the company, but when I received the news, I remember teachers teaching, be positive. Second day, third day, fourth day, things slowly unfold. And when today is the last day, day 7, I started to realize, wow, this whole journey was really, really beautiful. So if you are looking for self-improvement, self-development, just for your personal gain, not into spirituality, this is actually very suitable for you. Because a lot of times I think if I'm a very motivated individual, I spend a lot of money on self-improvement course. I think a lot out there, when you don't bring in too much spiritual, I feel like I'm pushing or forcing myself to do things. But when I always listen to my inner voice, like all of us, we have our inner voice. If you listen to that voice truly, it feels like a pull. You're attracted and naturally. And the best part is Master Umesh is actually very funny, very humble. Despite the picture, when I look at the picture, wow, this must be very serious, very boring class. But when you come into class, he just tell a lot of jokes, but older people jokes. So yeah, but other than that, he's very patient, very kind. Even like a teacher, right? Normally, when you teach in a seminar, I'm bigger than you, then shh, you all keep quiet. But every time he asks you to shh, he will say, sorry. So that shows how much he, despite how tall someone is, at the end of the day, we're just all human. We are all the same. Yeah, so if you want to look for something to really keep yourself happy, make yourself better, this is something for you. Sign up now.